man, how far now? This story they get me one kind because I know say the way I dey see now, this ringing of bell of a thing. Wetin I dey see now, I wan tell you, when they ring bell, don't be like say sometimes when they ring bell, na for happiness. E get sometimes when dem go ring bell again, don't be like say for sorrow. Because I still remember when we dey secondary school dem, sometimes dem go ring bell, you know say that joy wan close, everybody dey happy. But sometimes when they go ring bell, you go see say emergency don happen. They go come gather everybody finish now. Or they flog some people. That one sef, you need a clean person life. But this Junior Pope matter na just ordinary bell wey dem dey ring now. You just dey take person life. So for me, wetin I feel now, no be every bell ring sound wey you hear wey you go. Because you need to be very very careful. Because if you no careful now, this bell wey dem dey ring now, na your life you go take. Na so I see the matter, I tire well well. The matter tire me. To be frank, e tire. The tire die. So how far now? How far? Any updates? Over the update too. No update. It's all they sleep on the bike. See you. It's all they fresh. If like say you don't they cash out, this is why they fresh like this.
Update. I just did. I be update. The update they tell me.
You wey dey fresh like this, I've been a son they give you this freshness.
Oh, just see me now.
Oh, but you dey fresh, you dey like say they cash out.
Tell me something. If update they tell me.
I beg. Then they call me, man go where they go first. As I don't see you, I say make I don't branch. They get me. So we go see now.